Yeah, hello everyone. So today you have the monthly expiry and let's see. So the very first thing is like last day, if you remember, at the very end we saw that what was the overall for the day positions, and the call writing in Nifty and Bank Nifty were both more than double the put writing. And finally, like even like right at 9:15 a.m. also we got the signal of the shorts, and it came down. And yeah, and in M5 there were put writing going on, and finally again it took and yeah, so like here after that, like after going up, like again in model 1 sell and buy, and these cells coming down. But in model 5, if you see again here, some call buying happened, like here put writing happened, then again here call buying happened, here put buying happened, and consolidated came down. Again here also some put buying, again here as well, this one. And then after that again here some call buyers are there, and that also in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, the quantum model, if you want to look at here, so again in the morning here, so we were having put writers there. And then if you look at here, this one was put buying, it went down. Again this one was put buyers present, here also put buyers present, came down. Some very few put buyers but still came down. And this was the call buying right now that is going on. So that is with respect to the quantum model. And looking into Sensex, we don't have Sensex expiry today, but again sometimes I pair up Sensex and Nifty, because if somewhere we miss the signal, so Sensex might catch up those signals. So this is what happened in Sensex also, like we were having call writing above in Sensex. Talking about Fin Nifty, we have today expiry, so Fin Nifty also did the same thing here, put writing and above call writing mostly. Mid cap, again like put writers were present here mostly. Even in model 5 of mid cap, you see put writers were present there in the morning, gave support, took it up, and then again call writers again came down. Again here call buyers are present, and here in like if you see put buyers were present in model 5. Fin Nifty model 5, if you see call writers were present here, and it went down. Here also Fin Nifty, like in the morning, put writers were present mostly. Here put buyers, and model 5, like along with model 1, like both are working fine today. Yeah, hi. Market is showing huge moves in terms. So, if you have noticed, like, I mean, the last week, I mean, just before the GST reforms, like, where market was, still market is at that point only. So, by that point, like, the big institutions, they made some positions at 25K or and also below also. So, whenever like I posted many times, like whenever it tried to cross 25K it was getting resistance, and finally you see the monthly expiry is ending where it was like 1 or 1.5 1.5 week ago. Yeah, so the main thing is like in Sensex and Bank Nifty we got the signal, but we didn't get the signal in Nifty there, the sell signal there. Anyways, like again, like we can see here, call buying is going on in both Bank Nifty and Nifty in M5. So might be we take support again, and also we have a support line also from the HFT, as you can see. Let's see Fin Nifty and others. Yeah, so by next week, yes, like I don't go for a long term view, so all my work is on short term views. Yes, I'll go for long term view also, but the intraday thing like had to be solved. So now here there is no point in shorting because like you have the level support level near about there only. You have call buying Bank Nifty, Nifty in M5. Stock options, like, okay, let's see Reliance or whichever stock you want to see. Let me know, like, I'll open it and we'll see there. So even like stock options, we have like the expiry today as well, because today is monthly expiry. Okay, so this is on 5 minutes, like this is on 5 minutes chart. Also, let's go for 1 minute. So here is the thing, like even right at 9:15 a.m. you got the signal there as well. Yeah, so this did not work out, but again, like coming down and then again they took it up. So anyways, like your stop loss might get hit here or in the next candle there for this one. So here also some put writers came in and then finally took it up, and yeah, so call writing here as well. So let me see if I yeah, so anyways, coming down here, so again call writing here, and this is buying and this is call again buying. So I mean, if liquidity is there, so it like there's a high chance that HFTs are present there or big hedge funds are present there, and because like the big hedge funds, like what they have to do, they have to see liquidity, because they have to go where liquidity is present, and because they need to take heavy positions and also exit them, like so for entry and exit they need liquidity of those huge positions. So I mean so automatically their algos will figure out where liquidity is present, and the HFT algo will be able to, like with a high probability it will be able to track them. How's your crypto indicator testing? Yes, crypto indicator, like I think like we can do something there. So let's see. But yes, like I have very less experience, because I mean I should say no experience in crypto, because I never traded crypto. Like I bought some cryptos a long back, and then again like there was some profit of $200 and I sold it, and then like it was before COVID, or sometimes like that. So and then never again went into crypto. So like but yes, so what I was actually doing was like yes, like I was going through various like technicals and other stuffs and everything, so to see if we can do something in crypto. A big put writing just happened here. 139 CR, or almost 140 CR. So the one that you saw like here, like I posted yesterday, so that is giving a very nice result, but that is like in HFT form. Like it's, as you can see, the total number of trades it's taking like within a span of just 1 month. So like you can understand, like I asked someone who trades in crypto, so they said like scalping is not a very good option because of the high brokerages or something like that. So that means those kind of HFT strategies won't work there. I mean, if you just look at the results, so like within a month it was 44,700, almost 45,000% in terms of percent. So that was really great, but yes, I think more than the profit it would go into the brokerages or something. So yeah, thanks for coming up. So yes, I mean today is monthly expiry, so I have kept a track record that I come live on the monthly, at least on the monthly expiry day. So last all, like I think last 3 to 4 monthly expiries I came live. So that's why I did not like feel to break the record. So yeah, markets are oversold. See, exactly, like here we had the support level from the HFT, put trading happened, call buying in M5 to support went up. So yes, I'm not saying it can't again come down. So yes, it can, but overall, like everything has a probability in the stock market of happening. So all you have to do is like see whether things are working in their favor or not. Is the chart bending in the direction or not? So all that's what you have to see. In Sensex also we have put writers there. In Fin Nifty also we have put writers there. In Mid Cap Nifty also we have put writers there. Okay, so yes, I mean the put writers have come, like it's like the Avengers Endgame. So when the bulls are losing, so then they have come to save them. View on Nifty, like you can see clearly what is on the chart. Like what after that, what do you want? Like what view? It's all there. Like the smart money, wherever they're taking positions, you are getting that, and you are getting the fund flow, everything. So everything is on the chart. Okay, air traffic control post. So then I have to like remove the screener. So then it will become a nice clean. Now see, it's nice and clean, right? So yes, if you don't want the scanner, like you don't want to see the scanner, so you yeah. So this is the one. Yeah, good afternoon. Like by pointers means like here someone did put writing and slightly it went up after that. So again here was, but this did not work much. Like now it's again like put writers are coming and trying to give support here. So if you are a like a long term position holder or something, so then it would be recommendable to go for higher time frames like this one, like 3 minutes. You see this, so there would be lesser number of signals as well, so 3 minutes, or you can go for 5 minutes as well. So this is for the 5 minutes. Okay, so if you are a high like if you have like if your frequency of trading is high or maybe medium or moderate, so go for 1 minute. Otherwise you can like go for 3 or 5 minutes as well. Yeah, so I would definitely like to try like have a look at it. Like I have an open challenge, like I would like to see an indicator which performs better than this HFT indicator. So like it's not in a negative way, it's in a positive way. Like that will help me also to scale up, or I mean to make my indicator better. So yeah, in a constructive way, like I would definitely like to see some like some algos or whatever, like it's whichever is working like in the live market and giving some nice results. Yes, I mean there are videos also, and I also I mean like I also like, as soon as you have some problem, you just send me the screenshot. I then and then try to reply and help you to like figure it out. And so anywhere any problem, like after subscribing, I'll be right there to help you out. No, the HFT, yes, definitely. Like that's a good question. That what is the point? So if you go to the main settings here, so like if you see here, what are the models we have and everything. So the M1 model is high frequency and the big hedge funds. Okay, so it's not only like I have kept the name as HFT, but the main thing is that it's mostly like where the smart money or the big institutions are taking positions. Okay, so like and with proper fund flow. And yes, obviously like you would say that this is not possible. So I already clarified this, that this is a probabilistic model. Okay, so yes, obviously I don't have any tie up with any big institutions that they would be giving me their positions or something. So this is a probabilistic model. Okay, and with proper fund flow also you are getting like I mean here you saw that like we here it's written here. So 130 order blocks and if no. So you can check out the order blocks. No. You're see, it's not about that. Like you just go and check out like 9:15 a.m. So there huge call writing happened, and these type of reversals from almost top or order blocks, you will always have orders. Like if it is working or not, that's why I have come live, right? So I mean, see, what you are thinking is the concept might not be exactly same what I have used, right? So like if it is working or not, the smart money concept, whatever smart money concept you have, it might not be the same I have, right? So again, if it is working or not, so just check it out on the screen. So that's why I come live. Okay, so when I post something like this, like let's say here I posted that whatever happened in the morning. Okay, so here also, so yes, I mean, sometimes it's hard to believe that such things can happen because screenshots can be faked and everything. So that's why, that's why I come live. So you can go and check out the previous live streams as well. So again, on YouTube you cannot edit the live streams or anything after it happened. So you can, the live streams are already there in the live section, so just go and check them out. So the very first thing is like you have the results like for almost every day to back test. So just go and check out the past performance as well. So yeah, so obviously, I mean, after back testing, I have launched this, and also like if you so yes, but I have to be very careful because of the uh, SEBI requirements and everything. So it's a very problematic that I mean, people coming from other background, they are not allowed to take they are not given SEBI registration. You have to do this course, that course. I mean, it should be a plain and simple that if you qualify this exam, you get the registration. If you don't qualify, you don't get. It should be as simple as that. You need to have degree in MBA or in commerce background or something like that. Why? If I am capable or not should be like through an exam. Like you take an exam and that's it. You decide. Yes, if I fail, you can say that you have failed. How can I give you like the registration? And if I pass, like whatever background I'm coming from, how does it like matter? So yes, like here if you go to the videos, check out all these. Like every day I have posted, and also like past. If you want to go again for the past data on Nifty or something, so go through the live streams. Like here you have the lives and everything, so go through the live streams and also like the post on X as well, so you'll get a fair understanding of the back results or the back test. See, if I am profitable or not doesn't matter, because while using Sensible, you don't go and ask whether Abid Hassan is profitable or not. You use the platform because you might like some of the features or something. So we are coming in with some features or some algos or something. So if you want it, it's all good. Otherwise, I mean, you may ignore it. Like just ignore it. If you think that it's not worth it, just ignore it. Okay, so before going and trading on the Zerodha platform, you don't ask like either, I mean, the Kamath brothers are profitable or not. Okay, so are they earning through only brokerages or not, and not through trades or something. So it's all about what service they are giving. So if that service is worth it, you go for it, and if you think that the service is not worth it, you just ignore it, right? Yeah, True Data, like they are one of the data providers. Yeah, good afternoon. Again, as I said, like it doesn't matter. The reason I come live is to show whether my product is working or not. Because like the very first thing is that like being a, I mean, you have to be when you try to become a prop trader, so you cannot fool the prop dex people. So they verify whatever you have done in the past, and then they only like hand you over some big amount, like 3 cr 5 cr of position, so fund. Okay, so you cannot fool them. So, and the second thing is that, like, check out the performance, and that's it. Like, if you think that yes, such an indicator is worth it, so it's worth it, otherwise you can ignore it. Yeah, thanks, Margaret. Yeah, market seems like, also, like, if you see cash market sentiment has also come up, like someone is pushing from the cash market side as well. Let's see, might be like taking support here. Yeah, so the way you use some analysis depends on your trading style as well. So everyone's trading style may not be the same. Yeah, so even like in the past also, I've posted many live PNLs, and that too, like, not sometimes, throughout a month I have posted. So, and after that I have said that I won't be posting anymore, because there are many security concerns, because if any day something happens, so my family would be blaming me. So so I have done my part, and after that, like, again, it's nothing but I'm giving the demo for the product live, and after that, anyone can decide whether they want it or not. So, and that too on major days like monthly expiries or weekly expiries, even on the non-expiry days as well. So this is the level we have to wait for, like whether even in Bank Nifty also we have got a level here. So we have to wait whether this level is taken down or support is coming there. Yes, let them give. Like, the thing is that they might have a short term, they might be there for a very short term, uh, like like they, I think they are there for a very short time, and they are trying to make a quick buck and like some quick money, and then whatever happens to their channel or something, they don't care or something. So I am here for a long time, and reputation matters, like in terms of, like, in the money market, so reputation always matters. Oh, just checking it. Yeah, so the AI money flow also will do something about it very soon. Yeah, start. Yes, so it's very hard to get back when you do something. So level has been taken down. Still call buying is going on in M5. Not making much sense. Data is not that bearish, like cash market is still in the positive zone. Call buying in M5, put writing now is happening there. and it's going up. Like another put writing happened, and this put writing amount is 36 CR. This was 54 CR. Only the put writing, which is the light green, not the deep green, which is call buying. Yeah, someone mentioned like some algo, like they're using, giving good results. Please do post the link at least. I mean, I'd definitely like to see. Because there are very few leading indicators in the market, very few, very. And those who are thinking it's based on OI, so please note that OI data comes every 3 minutes. This is real time you are getting. It should blast, or maybe like it ends flat also. Like many monthly expiries we have also seen, like if Nifty is where like the big institutions have made positions, so it doesn't move much. And also Jane Streets are absent from the market, so yeah, the last monthly expiry was, the end was like still worth remembering. The puts went 50x, and we were live also. Like still, you can go and check out the live there. So the thing is that like yes, Gen Street, if their present move comes a good move comes, but also those type of moves are also not welcome, like where in one candle it shoots up to 200 points and maybe right after there like it again comes down by 100 points or maybe again 200 points down. So those are not something very healthy for a trader, because in these type of markets also, if an option buyer or a seller, whoever is like making their positions are at a loss, so they still have the time to think and get out at a minimal loss. Okay, so but in those type you don't have time, like it's blown out. Your positions are totally like in 1 minute, either you are on the correct side or on the wrong side, and you're totally blown out. And then after you that also you don't know that whether again market would come down or it might be again further going up or down something. So those type of scenarios are very, I mean, very very harmful for especially the intraday traders. Upside might be limited for now because AI money flow is Nifty and Bank Nifty both are negative. Again, those who are new here, if you don't know anything about the indicator, just go and check out the links in the description. call writers are now coming. Bank Nifty is more bearish than Nifty. Like you can see from the score as well. It's negative 54 for Bank Nifty, but negative 25 for Nifty. Yes, you can go directly to the website and make the purchase, and we will add you within 5 minutes. Like you'll get all the access within 5 minutes of the purchase. Like Bank Nifty M5, you saw like call buying here was happening, shot up. Now put writers are also coming here. So today I have printed all the all the colors, so don't get confused about the deep red ones. Like if you want, we can simply get the light colors there. It doesn't change the output as long as we don't select the buy signals from the option buyers. Some put riders are coming, like these are 25.9, 26 CR of put riding, 13.5, almost 14 CR of put riding. Some call buyers are also there in M5. Also, like in the cash market sentiment, also you see like buying is going on in the cash market as well. I mean, someone is trying to give support to the market here. Midcap Nifty is working great today. Like, so that also has its expiry today. Some put buyers are coming here in mid cap. Like on M5, I mean. Like look at here in M5 call buying happened and put writing also in M1, and that was the bottom. I mean, Nifty, Bank Nifty, where people are mostly trading, moves are not there. So moves are like in mid cap. Still in Fin Nifty also, like it gave a nice fall there. So that's how like the cash market sentiment indicator helps you. Like someone was putting money in the cash market that was clearly visible, and now you can see that they are giving the support. So I got many questions like how to use the cash market sentiment indicator and so on and so forth. So this is how to use it. Like you can very well see that for a continuously long time, like in Bank Nifty and Nifty, like both places, like you are having this, someone is putting money in the cash segment, and so probability is high that a support should come. Yeah, so tomorrow might be like, but also on Friday, like when monthly expiry is over, that is the first day of the next month, next week expiry. So usually we see like first of all the big players makes position and then the move comes. Yeah, so I've tried to make a perfect setup for the traders, and if you're like going through proper risk management, like it's fine. Like but if you're thinking of like every time doubling your capital or something, then if one of the trades backfires, like you are gone. So be careful about that. Like I've seen many traders also, like after watching like how nicely it captures reversals from exact bottom or top, they I mean they have very high level of confidence on the indicator, and with that confidence they sometimes put all into one go. So that is not it if it works, it's like, I mean it will work, but let's say out of 10 times if it works 8 times, 2 times it doesn't work. So if you are on that 2 times, so it will blow your account. So that's why have some risk management, and the rest is like you can also use it with your setup as well. Suppose you might also be having some setup. So I mean, okay, so call writing is happening 88 cr. Okay, but let the candle first close. You see, like I mean, I think like I'm very less popular or something, so that's why the big institutions don't know about me. Because you see, like I've been coming live for so many sessions, but still this threshold of 20 live viewers hardly crosses. Yes, I won't deny at all. There are like some members who have told me that like if I am ready, they are willing to like invest or and make it big, and also like there are some prop decks who have approached me as well. But yes, like $4 million or something like that. No, I still haven't got that much of like that much of an offer or something. Yeah, so I think these call writers are also working fine. So 88.7 CR, so almost 89 CR or 90 CR of call writing happened. Yeah, so actually we have the HFT version for the US markets as well. Yeah, so it's also like sometimes today I think it's TradingView's fault. Sometimes it's also happening with me. So I reloaded the chart, or you can do something like um, you can select lesser number of stocks. So at most you can put 40. So go with 30 or so on. So go with the top 30 or so on. So I think then it won't show the error. Just reload the chart. Okay, so save whatever you have first. So here put the click on the save button and then just reload the chart. It will start working. Even if you see like I whatever I post, I get very few impressions, and the major like it's on my it's working like 1 minute chart. Let me refresh again. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. You see. Just see if you haven't selected more than 40 symbols or yes, marketing team is needed. Maybe. So that's why like I'm very very less popular among like all these big fin influencers. So that's why like people don't know about this thing much. Yeah, so it's on Bank Nifty. Okay, let's see. No, in Bank Nifty also I have like here it's open. Okay, let's see if the rocket, what happens to the rocket. So again we see that some selling has come, like 88.7 cr. Again put writers are also there, but this is 24.4 cr. uh, I'm not aware of that, like Indian Medallion Fund. We'll search about that. Yeah, cash market push is like good, like it's increasing, but still like option writers are dominating here. Yeah, some resistance line is also coming on the HFT. Let's see. Yeah, so even if I want to make it big, so and like approach big investors or something, so I need to have my own setup, like otherwise no one would be interested in just like selling some indicators or made on trading view. So first I have to get at least to that level, and then like mm, max rows to select. Okay, so if you're selecting here max rows, yeah, max rows to select. So I have kept it as 40, so doesn't matter, don't change this. Like I mean, it doesn't matter. It only matters how many like stocks you have selected here. Don't select more than 40. And also, if you have selected here 10, and if you are selecting more than 10, then error will appear, because on 10 rows it cannot show more than 10 symbols. Yeah, hi Mr. Mukesh. So these 88.7 CR of call writers are like still in control. So uh, just send me a screenshot on WhatsApp or Telegram. I mean, see if you have changed the like expiry, sorry, the ATM. Like either keep it at 24,550 or 600. So you just have to like enter here 24,550 or 24,600. It's better to keep at 24,550. Like it's Nifty is going, I mean, hovering over near to that ATM. Twenty-four six hundred. Okay, let me put 24,600 and see. Yeah, so there was a buy signal here, right? So these were the put writers here. Yeah, so just try to be as near to as like uh, the ATM near expiry. And also in M5, if you see here, there were some put buyers here, right, just right before this. Even it's a slight fall, but still, like, just look at here, just before this fall, there were put buyers even here as well. Yeah, it might be like now the cash market sentiment is coming down. In Bank Nifty, it has gone down in negative, but still in Nifty, it's still above zero, but going down. Bank Nifty call buyers are coming, Nifty also. In M5, we are talking about. Some put writers are also there in Bank Nifty. Fin Nifty call buyers. mid cap put buyers. There is no my view, like it's basically what the HFTs are doing, like what the big hedge funds are doing, like we are trying to capture that in real time. Yes, like past few expiry days, like we have been watching, like market is range bound. Spot Jane Street, like those times you can go and check out the live streams. Like, yes, I mean there were many signs. Okay, let's change the ATM slightly. 53,900. Call buying from M5 in Nifty. And the charts are bending. And yes, wait for 1.5 weeks. Like, you don't have to change the ATM anymore. So until unless, like, if Nifty or Bank Nifty or any like stock or indices is within a range will also be a big range. Like, let's say plus minus 400. A small amount of call writing has happened here. Bank Nifty put writers are coming. This is 82 CR. $68. Sorry. No, 8 CR and 6 CR. Yeah, hello. Hi, Prasad ji. So from next week onwards, like, we have Nifty expiry on Tuesday, and Thursday we have Sensex. So be careful while putting down the expiry date. Can you send me the screenshot of the settings? Show status text, and what is the number here? Max rows to display. Yeah, I know you are a very, big fan of M5. So yeah, for scalpers to option buyers, like it's a good one, M5. And that too on an expiry day. Cash market sentiment has come down finally, like starting from here onwards. See, if you say that like market has come down and so the cash market sentiment also has come down. So it's not like that. Like look at here. So Nifty was also coming down here, but the cash market sentiment was increasing here. So someone gave this push. But right at the top there, like someone again shorted heavily and again came down. So these are the things, like this is the main part of the indicator, like which you don't get elsewhere. Like this is the beauty of this indicator. And what are the stocks you're selecting? Might be sometimes. Are you selecting the top 15? Just send me a screenshot of the settings. Yes, 3 p.m. move. Let's wait for it. Yes, so I replied, see if it's working now. If the error comes, like show me the what is the error, like send me the screenshot of the error. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so let's change the ATM to 500. Yes, Mr. Shantaram, it's running here as you can see on the screen. Like I'm running with 40 symbols. Like I've selected the top 40, all the starting from Reliance till the top 40. Okay, guys, so yeah, the charts are bending. It's 54, so right there the put writers came in and it went up. Uh, 136 here put writing in which candle? I think you're using ATM 600 or something else. So with respect to the ATM 24,500, it's 48 Sierra put writing was this one. Bank Nifty also put traders came in. Sensex also put traders came in there. Fin Nifty also, mid cap also. Twenty-four five hundred. 24,500. It's 48.2 CR here. Yes, yes, here also I'm using the ATM as 24,500. Yes, so maybe tomorrow we can see some positions mostly building up in Nifty. That's why, because Nifty ATM expiry will be near. Yes, high chance, but let's see. Yeah, 24550p also has a nice OI, some huge OI like. More than 3.5 CR of OI is there. Yeah, good afternoon. Call writers are coming, so 3 p.m. Maybe all those put writers would be in trouble. Yeah, call side OI is also now increasing. I think 24,500 short straddles would be there. I mean, they have done call writing at almost 8 or 8.5, 24,500. These call writers. 57.3 CR. This is the end, like now here call writers came and the charts bend, like EOD data. What do you mean, which data? It's, I think it's good to short at 10, like 24,500 call side. No, I was wrong. Like they shorted at a much higher price, like more than 20. These call writers, and sharply the premium fell. Yes, this is mainly for the option traders. Whether you're an option buyer or seller, it's mostly for the option trader. Because here you can see how much of call writing, put writing, call buying, put buying has happened. So like if I open the other colors as well, so you can see the buying also. So I mean, these guys have done put writing and these guys have done call writing, and so market is not moving anywhere. It will just decay on both sides. Yeah, end of the day reports, like what do you want to do there? Like you can follow that those also. But again, live market, like what mainly positions are being found by big institutions, so that's very important for intraday players. And the short straddlers are perfectly winning. Like, yeah, great. So the end of the day matters. Like, okay, guys. So market is about to end. 15 more minutes. If anyways, like, it helped you, the HFT algo analysis, so don't forget to put a like. And today was monthly expiry day, so not a joke. Anything could have happened anytime. So yeah, thanks everyone for coming up live. I have a very small base of supporters. So Yes, we'll definitely try to keep it up. So yeah, so far the track record is good, like on monthly expiry days. So we have been coming for the past 4 or 5 monthly expiries, and it's all good so far. The straddle is almost ending at 0.24,500. Yeah, I did not look at Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty, if you see here, 20. So these were the majorly put writers that came in at 252, and 53 800 is put side went to zero, but not the call side. Also, let's have a look at the next week. So next week it would be second. Yeah, call writing amount is more, but we'll see. Like, also let's put, yeah, call writing amount is more. But again, we'll have to see tomorrow what fresh position starts building up. So again, if you want the indicator, so all you have to do is go to the website, and I mean, you can go with any option you like, and every plan has the same thing. It's just that the higher you select, the more you save. And so if you opt it for today, so your plan starts from the next trading day, but you get the access within 5 minutes after making the payment. So that you can go through the charts tonight and then before going live tomorrow. Because sometimes I've seen like many people like just making the payment like uh, just before 9 a.m. and then they have a very short time to set it up and they panic as market opens. So to avoid such things, like set it up today and then go live tomorrow. Like, what is wrong? What do you think? What is wrong? I change the expiry to next 30/09/25. So you are going for the next monthly expiry? So for Nifty, yes, 30/09, correct. So let's put the monthly expiry if you want. 30/09/25, yes. No, here, if you see 30/09/25, the date has come. Okay, for Bank Nifty. So putting the next expiry for Bank Nifty. So 30.09.25. Yeah, here 30.09.25. It's here. Just reload the chart if you see the current month only there. So yes, for the next expiry now we have to change the date. Yes, you have to put it in others because that is Bank X, not Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty and all the stocks have the same expiry date, that monthly one. So I've put all of them into that others portion. Only Bank X sometimes have different expiry date, and Sensex and Nifty as well. Sensex and Nifty also they have weekly expiry, so that's why I had to keep them separate. Yeah. Okay, guys. So monthly expiry ends. So I hope like you enjoyed the live stream and the live analysis from the HFT indicator, tracking the smart money in real time and with fund flow. And yeah, so we'll see tomorrow what fresh position starts building up in the new expiry. And so that's it for this video, guys. If you have any queries or questions, you can still ask. Okay, so then I'll